How to cancel Turbotax free trial. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can cancel Turbotax free trial. For this, open up any web browser and head over to the official website of Turbotax, or you can also open up the Turbotax software on your laptop or PC. Now, you want to click on the Intuit account option from the left-hand side panel. Now again, from the left-hand side panel, select Products and Billing. Here, you should be able to find all of your subscriptions and product details. Now, what you want to do here is locate the subscription you wish to cancel. Now, go ahead and click on the Cancel Subscription option. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation of your Turbotax subscription. Now, check your email for a confirmation message to ensure that the cancellation has been processed. If you are facing any difficulty, you can directly contact the customer support of Turbotax, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.